Thank you, Mr. Speaker, colleague, Minister, Honorable Victoria, Minister of State for Local Government. Although your deputy chairperson here doesn't know you are here, she just ignored you, so, and there isn't much you can do about her. Now, honorable speakers, mine is a simple job. Everything I wanted to say, I said last night at my residence. Those who are not there, it's your business. You missed, there is no coming back. This time you pay. Last night was for free. When you come back, you will pay. Now I'm in a hurry. I'm going back to Kampala. I have noted one thing. That while you are introducing yourselves, there is loud absence, very loud absence of the Central Region. And I noted the Central Region happens to be very populous with many districts, and for the speakers of the Central Region not to be here says quite a lot of things. It's very loud. Their absence is notable and regrettable. Because this is the way things begin. This is how things begin and begin to go wrong. Because I can't perceive that this is not deliberate. Surely out of how many districts of Central Region? There are about 50. 36. 16 were missing. 16 were missing. I would say that's an accident. But there is only six of. How many are you here? Four out of 1 bullet. That's an accident. When you hear second bullet, that's a coincidence. When you hear third bullet, that's enemy action. Go into the trench. That's enemy. And I'd be very glad if I was wrong that this is it. Now, the executive of Uruga should go out to find out why Buganda is absent. What have you done to them for them not to show up? Speaking. This organization. So, Mr. Chairman, go and look for the people with the speakers of Uganda and find out. And if you find you wronged them, you take correct action. Are the spokespersons of the ordinary people. You cannot have a government where the district councils are not dysfunctional, because the district councils speak for and on behalf of the ordinary people. And for us to be government, we need because our district council, the district councils and ears on the ground. They are the ones who manage the local areas on our behalf. They monitor the executive. This is a big lady here. She's very powerful. Yeah, my friend, this big lady here. Oh, these are deputy gods in the districts. Because we send them money. We send them resources to do development on our behalf. And it's the district councils which monitor whether these people are using natural resources appropriately. When the district councils don't notify the central government about what's going wrong, and the people who pay taxes and people who surrender their sovereignty to us will be cheated. That's why I take the role of the speakers as very important. Because the speakers, our eyes and ears on them.